Hello everybody. Today we are going to be covering warranty within eBay and how to apply warranty through eLink. Disclaimer as always, please do not refer to the titles, photos, and pricing within my test account here as examples of how you should title, price, and photograph your parts. Again, this is just a test account, so thank you. All right, so first and foremost, I'm going to start on the eLink side and show you how to apply warranty properly within eLink. And then we'll move on over to the eBay side and we'll also discuss best practices for this. All right, so I'm going to start out in my unlisted tab, and first I'm going to show you how to apply warranty on an individual basis if you are somebody who lists items individually manually through eLink. So I start my unlisted tab here, and I come on down to a listing. You can double click into the listing or come over here and hit edit. I'm going to expand part details out. Of course, as we know, we can also choose the expand all button up here if we wish. I'm just going to expand part details. And the warranty field is all the way down here in item specifics. Warranty. You'll notice that there are predetermined options for you, and you don't have the ability to customize this. That is because, although there is the ability to customize this within eBay, customizing it within eBay doesn't provide you the proper filtering capabilities for your buyers. And so what we did is we only offer the options in here that eBay offers. That way you properly match up within eBay. And so when your buyer is searching within eBay, which I'll show you when we flip over to eBay, so you want to make sure that you're choosing one of these options, again, because that is how eBay specifies the different options for warranty. Okay, so this is the way to individually apply warranty to parts. You would apply it and then of course come down here and save and list. Save and list is new or save. All right. To do this in bulk, to apply warranty in bulk, you can of course select all if everything is going to have the same warranty. Or what you can do is you can of course come up here to the quick search and search however, part type number, stock number, however you wish there. And you could apply it, let's say I just wanted to apply to my engines, I could do it like that. And then of course select all and hit bulk change. Other ways that I can do my selections here, which this is the preferred method, one I would suggest is coming on over here and selecting multi-part types at the same time to make this a lot more efficient for you. Because a lot of people, for instance, have their engines and transmissions might have the same warranty period. Lighting might have the same warranty period, and you can do it all at the same time versus going part type by part type, way more convenient for you. So I can come over here and I'm just going to select items. You can select multiple part types and then come on over here and make sure you click apply, 304, and then what I would do is select all, hit bulk change. And again, in part details here, right down here, warranty, change to, I'd apply my warranty and hit update. All right. And then that was all from the unlisted tab. So if you already have listings currently and you wanted to do this, you wanted to make sure that you revise them to start including warranty on the items, works the exact same way. All right. You can use multi-part type, select all. If you wanted to do it individually, you could. All right, so next I'm going to go up and show you how to apply this within your part type settings. Highly recommended that you do this because it will take a lot of time off your hands moving forward. So if you already have part type preferences set up, which you can see here that I do, please note you have to apply this to every single one of them. Just applying it to the global is not going. So if I applied the warranty just to global settings, and since I have an airbag setting, the global would not apply to the airbags because I have an airbag setting. It would only apply to part types that don't have their own part type preference created here. So what I recommend doing is just going through making sure that each one of your, if you have multiple part types here, multiple part type preferences here, make sure you're applying warranty to every single one of them. Also remember that when you apply this part type preference, a change to this part type preference, it's only going to apply to future inventory. So if you already have items listed or items in your unlisted folder, that warranty, whatever change you apply here is not going to apply to your existing inventory. So you do need to make changes to all three: unlisted, listed, and your part type preferences if you're a current seller. Please definitely, if you have any questions on that, it is one of the things that's most often overlooked in eLink. So please reach out if you have questions on that, and we'll be happy to go over it for you. And then, of course, as always, if you're applying this warranty to your parts and you have any questions or would just like your eBay specialist to check over your account to make sure that everything is applied correctly, let us know. We're happy to do that. All right, so that is the eLink portion of the training. I'm going to jump on over to the eBay portion now, and I'm going to perform a search just to show you how this works from a buyer perspective and why you want to apply warranty. All right, so I plugged in what I'm looking for here. Now, what warranty does, and again, putting it into the proper spot on eLink, that warranty field in part details here, what that does is you have all these different options here. What that does is it coincides exactly to this warranty section over here. And I'm actually just going to show this again because I think my capability of sharing a drop down here might not actually work within this application. So I'm going to show you, you have the option no warranty, unspecified length, as I'm clicking in here, 60 days, and then it goes all the way up to 10 years and then lifetime. So there are different options here. All of those options are laid out here for you. I apologize for that. All right, so what happens is your buyer plugs in a search, whatever they're searching for, and then they want to filter through 475 listings. So let's say they come on over here and they start using these filters. So I'm going to plug in 6 months, okay? If you don't if you don't have a 6-month warranty plugged into, now that's key, plugged into the warranty field of eLink, which pushes through to the proper warranty field in eBay item specifics. If you don't have that filled out, you are going to be filtered out. All right, you will not be among the 79 people, so you're no longer visible to your buyer. All right. Oftentimes I see, which is a good practice, I do actually recommend using your subtitle for this reason, but I oftentimes see sellers who have, let's see if I can find one here, right here, a warranty within their actual subtitle, and then they don't have it filled out within their item specifics. Yes, the warranty is great for click-through when your buyer is searching and deciding which item to click into during search, because it is a nice eye catcher, right? It does establish trust. So I still recommend going ahead and adding in the warranty in that subtitle, since you do get them for free being a Hollander seller. But you definitely have to, no matter what you put in that subtitle, you have to make sure that your actual warranty field is filled out within the item specifics in eBay in the proper section, which I just showed you how to do that through eLink, in order to not be filtered out over here. Okay, that is very, very important. All right, so now I'll just kind of discuss some best practices and how warranty works within eBay. All right, so oftentimes warranty and return policy get confused on eBay. They are different, all right? So the reason that warranty starts at 60 days, again, these are options provided by eBay only. And the reason it starts at 60 days is because buyers already have that 30-day money-back guarantee. They can return the part no matter what within those 30 days. Whether they use it and it breaks or they just don't want it anymore, whatever it is, they can return it within 30 days. So it does not make sense for eBay to offer a 30-day warranty period. So they started at 60 days, okay? But let's say you offer a 30-day or even a 60-day return policy. So that 30 or 60 days, eBay, your buyer is able to return that item no matter what through eBay, right? That is something that eBay monitors and, you know, has control over, right? They make the rules on that return policy. Warranty is something you make the rules on. So if you provide a 60, 90, 6-month, doesn't matter, warranty policy, you determine the rules, which means, okay, so let's say I attach because I want to look, you have my listing look more attractive. I want to apply and be, you know, competitive. I want to do this 6-month warranty here. And that would make sense because that is actually where a lot of sellers are offering. So middle of the road there. So I offer a 6-month warranty, and maybe I include something in something about the warranty in my template in the description section of eBay. I do recommend that if you do that, keep it as short as you can. You can provide this information in a sheet of paper and put it in the box with the item, okay? This is up to you. So your warranty can say dealer programming required, proof of dealer programming required, things like that, or installation, you know. So you determine, again, the policy around your warranty, and eBay does not step in on the warranty. They step in on the return. All right. So of course it is, you know, best practice to offer a longer warranty because it does make your listing more attractive. What this does is it establishes more trust with your buyer. In selling used product, that is something that is definitely beneficial to us. The more trust we can establish, the better. And a little side note is that it's not very often that people actually take advantage of warranties, right? You stand behind your product. You know you're not selling anything that is not, you know, quality parts. So the likelihood of a customer needing to use that warranty is not very likely, right? However, if they do use it, you're providing this great service. You're likely to get a repeat buyer. But do know that it's not very often that this is actually going to be something that is used during, you know, through eBay. So it's a great marketing tactic. Okay. All right. So again, just going to review this real quick and then we'll let you go. Entering warranty through eBay or through eLink here. You can do it individually, in bulk, and then make sure you're applying it to part type preferences. But it does need to go in the actual part details, item specific section down here, warranty field. All right. And then on the eBay side, your buyer performs their search. They start coming over here to using the filters, 6 months. As long as you provided a 6-month warranty on your product, you're going to pull up. So I'm going to go ahead and click into one, and I will show you where this reflects within the listing too. So nice and easy, item specifics, just like an eLink. All right. And then we've got warranty down here. All right, and then again, you can put the details of your warranty down here if you wish. Otherwise, you can also include it just in the package. All right, so thanks for joining in on this webinar today, you guys. And again, let us know if you have any questions or if there are any topics you want us to make sure that we're covering in the future. Free account reviews, as always, if you're a Hollander customer, let us know if you are ready for an account review. We'll teach you ways to increase your visibility on the site. Increased visibility is increased sales. That's something that this warranty is going to provide you as well, including this warranty information. eBay at hollanderparts.com. Thank you.